This is a lawsuit waiting to happen. Hi, this is Eustace Leon Greaves, Jr., owner and operator and principal of Bridge Insurance Agency. Folks, this is why you have to maintain your sidewalks. This tree has grown to the point where it's lifting slabs from the sidewalk. Problem is, you get somebody with a walker, or you get somebody who's perhaps slightly inebriated or just not paying attention because they're looking at their phone, and they trip over this, and again, it's this side. And let's step up and down again. And this side, well, you've got a problem. It's a lawsuit. So when you're looking at homes, make sure you look not only at the, here's another one right here, the same property. This side, it's lifted. You heard my, and right over here again, lifted again. So make sure you look at everything about a property before you buy, so you know what issues you have to address. I'm Eustace Leon Greaves, Jr. This has been another Bridge Insurance Agency and Greaves Financial Services moment. Tell you what, you can always reach me at 718-783-2722, and you can always reach me even better at Eustace at insuremeeg.com. That's EUSTACE at insuremeeg.com. God bless, be well. May the Creator of your choosing pour out their richest blessings to you and those you love. And always remember, make it an outstanding day so you have a template for tomorrow. And before I sign off, there's another little chip in the sidewalk. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.